I'm going to present my insights about my essay, which is Love and Connection. And it is all about the German lead during the Romantic period. So, during this time, and on the Romantic period, which is 19th century, it was really the golden age of German lead. So during this time, composers use this genre to explore deeper meaning uh, sa ilang mga compositions for deeper emotions, storytelling, and nature when they are composing. So during this time, ang characteristics sang lead naglain man, nagdiffer man sa iya nga earliest form, pero ginakompose pa gyapon for vocal and accompaniment. Pero diri na naglain ang iya nga accompaniment, which is ginbayluan ni pianoforte. And ginbayluan siya ni pianoforte in the sense nga mas naga-go siya sa vocals, and also composers focus on expressing the emotional tone of the poem rather than its complicated literary. So amo na, mas naga-focus sila sa emotional tone rather than its literary, since mas ma-convey nila ang message or emotion nga nga halin sa poem kung dito sila mismo ma-focus sa emotional tones. Also, ang musical forms ini are still in strophic form or through composed, meaning each stanza has new music to allow more dramatic storytelling. And furthermore, many other themes were included, such as love, given and young love, nature, mythology, and folklore, and sa pagale, supernatural elements. So, ang ini nga period naging playground gini siya sa mga romantic lead composers, and ang pinaka nag-stand out gid diri nga lead composer is si Franz Schubert. During his time, nag-compose siya sang 600 ka leader or lead, including his famous work like Die Forel or The Trout. So, ang iya nga mga compositions, amo gini siya ang mga compositions nga nagtatakgid ang emotional tone kay dira siya naga-focus. And it also paved the way for composers such as Robert Schumann and Johannes Brahms, Hugo Wolf, and si Gustav Mahler. Amo ni ang ilang mga compositions are all German lead, and later on sa romantic sa later romantic period or sa earliest 20th century, amo ni ang naging end sang era sang romantic lead. Pero nag-continue pa ni siya gyapon with the composers like Richard Strauss, and he composed amo ni siya ang naging last na gid nga chapter sang romantic leader or lead, which is ang Four Last Songs. And ang iya nga composition is gina dedicate niya gid sa iyang wife, which is soprano. And to end na lang, ang influence ng lead nag-spread pagad across France, kag amo ning naka-create sila sa ginatawag nila nga French melody, which was developed by composers like Debussy, which adapted similar themes pero mayara sang ila nga kaugalingon nga sensibility or sang ila nga distinct sound kumbaga.